Today we're going to be looking at an unboxing review of the Anker 778 Thunderbolt 4 docking station. If the docking station is half as good as the packaging, it should be a pretty good product. We have the hub itself, the power adapter, the AC outlet adapter, and then I did not realize this came with a Firebolt 4 cord, which is great because a 3-foot long Firebolt 4 cord is about $40, so it's nice that they included that with it. All right, right off the bat, we can see it's got two DisplayPort outputs and an HDMI. You can do one monitor HDMI 8K, or if you're splitting your monitors, then the resolution, I believe, on the HDMI goes down to 4K. There's an Ethernet port, two USB 3.0s, USB ports for the keyboard and mouse. And then on the other side, we have two USB-C ports, and those are both PD ports. So you get 30 watts power delivery as well as 10 gigabytes per second data transfer from it. This is the cord that goes to the computer where the Firebolt cord plugs in. The Firebolt connection is suitable for 40 gigabytes a second. And power transfer of, I believe, 80 watts to, or excuse me, 100 watts to your laptop through the USB-C cord.
The only accessory that I ended up purchasing for this was this mounting bracket. It both screws into the bottom and uses an adhesive pad, so you can attach it to a variety of things, including bookshelf, back of your desk, whatever it is, to get it out of the way.
Okay, so here's the unit installed. It's nicely sitting up off my desk back behind it with that bracket. The Thunderbolt cable supplied with it reaches over here to my laptop nicely. The keyboard is plugged into one of the USB A's on the back, as is my phone charger and stand. The high-speed USB 3.0s, one of those is going up here, this Seagate 8 terabyte one-touch hub and storage. The other USB-C out here in the front, actually this USB-C goes up to the tablet. The other one in the back goes up to a micro USB that I use for downloading stuff from like my thermal infrared camera and things like that. There is one additional USB-C here. Both of these are PD ports. It does have a pretty hefty power supply that we know, as noted before, so it does do power delivery through all of the USB ports, as well as up to, I believe, 100 watts charging for the laptop. I'm pretty happy with it thus far. It's working really well with both my monitors. The setup was really easy, utilizing the application that you download for it. So yeah, pretty happy with it so far. We will see how it performs, and I'll maybe post an update on it after about 6 or 8 months. So thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your day.